Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with the Cattle-Fax Closing Bell, brought to you by Zoetis. Declines in the U.S. calf crop and feeder cattle and calf supply outside of feedlots continue to be reflected in long-term feed yard placements and cattle on feed numbers. The USDA Cattle on Feed report for August 1st showed feed yard inventories are down 4%, or 630,000 head compared to 2012. July cattle placements at 1.7 million head were down 10% and may have been the largest surprise for industry participants. Feed yards placed the smallest number of cattle during July since 2007, and placements were 411,000 head smaller than the July 2010 highs. The year-to-date 2013 placement seasonal has been similar to last year and the 5-year average. However, there's risk that 2013 placements could run sharply below the typical seasonal through the late third and early fourth quarter, just as they did last year. One indicator that suggests this is the weekly number of feeder cattle and calf receipts reported by the USDA. Year-to-date sales receipts are running 5.2% below 2012. The most recent 4-week average has sales receipts at about 282,000 head a week, down 14%. That's the equivalent of a 46 to 47,000 head per week decline compared to the same period a year ago. Also, CattleFax feed yard member data through August also suggests smaller placements. The data is highly correlated with placements in the USDA Cattle on Feed report, and it shows that cattle coming into feed yards could be down more than 10% for the month. These supply trends, along with more reasonably priced corn, will likely lead to stiff competition from feed yards for calves as fall nears. This should be welcome news for cow-calf producers sending fall wean calves to sale barns. Prices in the fed cattle market range from steady to $1 lower this week. Weaker values were more prevalent in the north, where live trade occurred at $124 per hundredweight on a live basis and $195 to $196 dressed. In the south, fed cattle traded at $123 per hundredweight live, with instances as high as $123.50. Feeder cattle values were steady to $3 lower, while calves traded in a wider range from $3 higher to $3 lower. Overall, volume remains relatively light, but corn traded at sharply higher values early in the week, which pressured values for feedlot replacement cattle. Slaughter cows were priced steady for the week, as lean beef trimming values are offering little support for cow prices at this time. The boxed beef market was modestly lower for the week, as demand hit a lull due to hotter weather in much of the country. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. For more than 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Become a member at CattleFax.com.